Hey everybody, thanks for checking in again. Hey, today we're high in the hills of Salt River at a property called Island Camelot. This is an amazing 3-bedroom, 2-bath villa with a 1-car garage, a pool, a brand new big workshop under the pool patio that was just replaced, all brand new, gated entrance, lots of solar power, and 2 Tesla Powerwalls. So there's absolutely no reason to have to deal with a generator again. No more power outages. This is a great property. I think you're gonna love it. Let's go check it out. Look at the size of this mahogany tree. There's tons of mahoganies on this property. I'm at the bottom of the driveway. That's the gated entrance in. Beautiful stonework. And then the driveway leads up to the house itself. But off to the right here, we'll take a quick peek before we head up, is a 1-car garage where it used to be a big diesel generator in here, but they replaced it with these 2 beauties, Tesla Powerwalls. So now you've got a lot more storage, no fuel tank taking up space. Great place to park the car, use it for storage. But let's work our way up and we'll check out the house itself. All right, I'm up at the top of the driveway now. Check out this stonework. I just wanted to point this out real quick. Beautiful grilling patio right there. Super awesome place to chill out, grill up some burgers. And then here we are looking up at the main house. And then underneath, I just want to show you quickly, there's an actual workshop down here under the living room, which is awesome. Look at all this storage space here. Place for your tools, workbench, all the extra stuff you just don't want to have hanging around. Perfect spot. Okay, let's continue our way up and head into the house. Okay, now we've made it up to the top of the driveway. Behind me is the kitchen door, formal doors around the corner. Lots of parking. And then off to my right, around the back side of the house, is another parking spot with a solar car charger, which is a really cool feature. All right, let's go check out the inside. Notice some of the solar panels up on the roof here. Keeping those Tesla Powerwalls all charged up, nice and full. All right, we come into the house and notice the view from everywhere you look. Now, keep in mind, these windows are all impact glass. So there are shutters that you can use, but you don't have to, because impact glass, hurricane-rated glass windows is the way to go. The panels are actually down in that workshop if you ever wanted to deploy them. And if it was a major storm, you could probably put them there just for extra measure, but certainly not needed. Beautiful sitting area here. Great place to play a game of cards. And then here we are coming into the TV lounge, looking down to the formal living room on this end. Just a beautiful setup. Multiple places to chill with your friends and family. Another desk workstation here. Coming into the kitchen, we've got beautiful granite island here. And I love these cooktops. You know, a lot of people like gas, and gas is fine, but the beauty of these kind of cooktops is they're super easy to clean. You don't have to disassemble them and get all the grease out of them. They're just easy wipe and go. Beautiful stainless steel appliances, built-in coffee maker into this refrigerator. It's a built-in Keurig. And then you've got double ovens here. GE Profile brand, dishwasher conveniently located right next to the double sink. Very functional kitchen, super nice. Okay, let's head down this way. And if we take an immediate left here, we'll check out the guest wing. Right off the living room into guest bedroom number 1. This one's called the Green Iguana. Love that, so cute. Nice spacious room, queen size bed, AC up in the corner, and then lots of windows here along the backside. So if you want to take the breezy day route, you can do that. But if you want to seal it up and do the AC, that's also an option. Additional ventilation above. And then this is a connecting door to the master suite. Actually a great layout. If you have kids and they want to be connected to mom and dad, they do have access through that door. And closet off to the right. Back down the hall. Immediately to the left, there's a utility closet in here. You've got your solar hot water heater, all plumbed in perfect. And then further down on the left, you've got full-size stacked washer dryer. Samsung brand. To the right, into the bathroom, beautiful vanity. Nice, cheery, beautifully decorated bathroom. Side door out to the side parking area, by the way. It's a little bonus doorway. And then here we have tub shower combo. Super clean, super nice, beautifully appointed. And then we come into the lime into coconut. Yes, one of my favorite drinks. Sharky's Bait Stand has a good one. So does the Sausage Shack out on the East End. Another queen size bed. This is really set up with the current owner. It was more of an office area, as you can see. But you have a window down on the end for more cross ventilation because you get the side window plus the ones above the bed. So very nice space. AC, and again, closet. Okay, that's the guest wing. Let's head over to the master bedroom. And here we are in the master bedroom. Now that's a king size bed, fits in this room beautifully. You do have AC here up to the left. Lots of windows, a door directly out to the pool patio. And then you've got your his and hers closets, one to the left, one to the right, just opposite the master bath. And then additional storage for luggage, perfect use right there for that space. And another one above the other closet, so that's really nice. Dual closets with bonus storage. Double vanity. And then here we are in a tiled shower with a tub base, which is nice. So if you do want to soak in the tub, that's always an option. Okay, that's the master bedroom. Remember, here's the door coming in from the living room, and that's the other side of that closeout door, which came from the green iguana room. Okay, we're going to bank a left out of here, head down to the pool, check it out, along with the brand new workshop below. What a beautiful pool and patio. Now this used to be a wooden deck, but the current owner made a sizable investment and replaced it completely with concrete, creating a room below. Under my feet here is another room and a pool pump room over there, which we'll check out in a second, but just a lovely place to chill in the sun. That's the door to the master bedroom. That's the door to the living room. And then down here is that super cool grilling deck. I love that space. Such a great nook. Love the stone, like a little castle almost with all the stonework. And then tiled steps that lead straight up to the living room for easy access. Past Mr. Poseidon. And then we'll head down the steps. Notice the nice aluminum railing, so you don't have to worry about corrosion there. Those will last a lifetime. And then we come down and on the right side here into the pool pump room, where you have a nice Pentair IntelliFlow efficient pool pump, as well as a Pentair salt chlorinator. So that's a up-to-date, built to last, super legit, will never quit pool pump setup. And then into what I call the man cave. They're using it for tool storage right now, but it's all beautifully tiled, all concrete above, so it's a perfect little cave if you wanted to get away from it all and have a little me time, put in a big screen, a couple recliners, maybe a wet bar. Awesome. All right, there's one more place I want to show you, and then we'll call it a day. All right, the last place I want to show you is what I think is my favorite spot on the whole property. This awesome wraparound gallery that continues all the way around the front of the living room, back down to the side door that leads down to the grilling patio. But I mean, look at the view from up here. I mean, even on this chilly winter day here on St. Croix, the view is amazing. I think I'll just sit here and take it in. All the way from St. Thomas to Buck Island that's behind the rain, Christiansted, and even a glimpse of the South Shore. All right, everybody, if you want to check it out, give us a call. We'd love to show it to you. In the meantime, stay dry and have an awesome St. Croix day. Bye-bye. Hope you guys enjoyed that property tour. If so, please like our videos, click here to subscribe, click down here if you want to see more just like it. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you next time.